Hi!
Hi, I'm Fay.
And I'm Chantal, and Faye is my 10-year-old daughter. And she's folding these cute little paper hearts for everybody all the time. So I thought it would be fun to use them on a layout. And she's gonna show you how to fold them right now. And this is how she makes them. You can add a little bit of glue or tape in here so they stay closed. And you can vary in the sizes of hearts by changing the size of paper you use in the beginning. We hope you like this tutorial and we hope to see you again in another video. Bye bye!